It's here, it's here, it's here, it's here. Let's open it up. See what is in this package. I'm so excited. Oh. What is it? Some of you might know. Some of you might not. Drum roll, please. Get some of this, and you get some of that. And you're like, well, you know what? I don't have a stand. I don't have gas. So next thing you know, all of this. Notice one thing. The door's hitting over here. So there's not much. So I think what I might do is just put a little piece of wood under here, just to raise that up. But yeah, it fits in there. I was thinking, man, that's gonna be tight. But yeah, she fit. So rock on. Rock on. Now I just gotta get my gas hooked up, get my wire in, check for leaks, and I'll be ready to jam.